Hey guys, it is GuideHacks channel and today I will show you how to scroll TikTok without touching your screen. Let's get started. First, you need to open your iPhone settings, scroll and find accessibility. Here we need to find voice control and tap on it. Here we can see voice control and we tap on it. And then we tap on continue and done. Now we need to create our gesture. To create it, we need to tap on customize commands, create new command. For example, I will create command next, special for next TikTok. Now we need to select action, for example, run custom gesture. We need to create like we scroll to a new TikTok and tap save. We need to go back and select an application. For example, we wanna choose TikTok and tap save. And also we can create one more. For example, it will be back. Action will be custom gesture and it will be like we go on back. And select application. TikTok. We need to find TikTok. Okay. And save. Now you can go to your TikTok and test your own commands. If you say next, TikTok will show you the next video, and the same with command back. TikTok will show you previous video. That's all. It was how to set up hands-free scrolling for TikTok on iPhone. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. We will appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.